What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Dol. So this is the box pack. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox and check this mini tire inflator. This is a very useful thing for the two-wheeler riders mainly, because a four-wheeler, for four-wheeler there is a bigger tire inflator already there that requires 12-volt power supply, which you will get from the car power supply socket right there. But for two-wheeler rider, the power supply is not that much easy, and also there is no space in the two-wheeler, so you need compact thing that you can keep in your backpack or something like that. So this is the one. It's battery powered, so using this thing you can inflate the tires of two-wheeler, four-wheeler, even bicycle and all. So here you can see this is from the brand AGARO, and of course this thing is made in China, and the price MRP here is like 4,499. That's the MRP, but I'm gonna tell you the exact price on Amazon later. So keep watching and do subscribe to my channel if you're a new user. Okay, here you can see AGARO portable tire inflator, and import and marketed by Universal Corporation Limited. And on this side you can see that how it looks like, and some photos are there: car tire, bike tire, bicycle tire, and also you can inflate a football. And here some specs are there. You can see airflow 17 liter per minute, cylinder inner diameter 17 mm, pressure range 3 to 150 psi, pressure unit bar psi, and kPa kg per square centimeter, but generally we use the PSI, which is very convenient. So let's open the box. Very nice. Get a foam, nice thin foam at the top, and that's the accessory box, and that is the tire inflator itself and nothing else in the box. So let's keep it aside, and first of all let's check the accessories. What do we get in this white color box? Well, that's the main pipe to inflate the tires. Very small, so you gotta keep it near to the wheel right there. And that's the documentation. That's a warranty card, and to get the warranty you need to register your product online. And this is the user manual, how to use it. All details are there. And here I can see limited 1-year warranty. So that's it. What else you get? Some nozzles for different kind of wheels and all, football and all. And what else? Okay, the power cord, Type C power cord, USB 1 to Type C power cord to charge the battery of the tire inflator. And oh, forgot the main thing. You get a nice carry case like that. This is very useful thing because you can keep the tire inflator and the pipe and all inside this thing. Okay, let's keep all aside. Now let's take it out. That's the product itself. So that's the front side, that's the display, I guess, and buttons are there. The branding is AGARO right there, and that's for flashlight, plus, minus, power button, and that's for mode button. And at the top here you can see that's the mount for the pipe, and that's the flashlight, and that's another hole to keep the pipe inside, just like this. You get a mount this side right here, just like that. I'm gonna do it later. And here you can see the USB socket, so you can charge your mobile phone or a small device using this one. You can use this as a power bank, and that's the Type C charging port, and at the back side also the ventilation is there, and at the bottom some specs are there. Model Galaxy, power 50 watt, voltage 7.4 volt, and that's model number, made in China. So that's the product itself. And now let's turn this thing on once. You gotta press and hold the power button for 2 or 3 seconds, and it's gonna turn on. That's the battery indicator right here, which is full right now, and the car logo is right there, and that's the PSI, and that's the 00 right there. So now when I place the plus button, let's directly go to the 36 for the cars. Now let me decrease it to 33 right there, and now press the start button. So this is a bit noisy. Well, all the tire inflators makes noise, just a little bit more, a little bit less, that kind of difference in them. So that's not the point. The point is if this thing is working fine or no, or how much it is taking time. That's important. So we're going to check that later. Now that's the mode button to change the vehicle, I guess. So that's the two-wheeler mode, the motorcycle, scooter, or anything. And now press again. That's the bicycle mode, and press again. That's the football mode. By pressing this one button, you can change your vehicle type, and that's the flashlight button. Let's turn this thing on. Here on this side, you can see it's on. Now press once again. That's the red flashing light. Now it's slowly flashing, and then it's turned off. So that's the nice thing, because in the emergency case you need that red blinking light to let others know that you need help. That's called SOS light kind of thing. That. So now that's it. Now let me connect this thing. So that's how you're gonna keep this thing in an ideal mode. And when you use this one, then now let me try once. Select the vehicle, like car. I'm going to select the cycle, and when I turn this thing on, I'm going to hold it right there. So as you can see, it's working fine. When I block the air pipe like that, then the pressure increase like that. So this is working, but later I'm going to try it to my motorcycle and all. And now when you need to turn this off, press and hold the power button for a few seconds, and see it's off now. So now let me tell you some more thing. This is a useful thing to help you inflate the tire, not completely inflate the tire. Like if your car is having 1 or 2 totally flat tire, then it's gonna take a lot of time to inflate them, and also it will heat up a lot. So in that case, if you wanna do that, to inflate your tire completely from 0 to 33 or 34, whatever, after one is done, then you gotta give it some rest, and you gotta let it be cool and then use once again. But it's a very useful thing when your tire pressure goes down a bit, like it happens generally after some times, then you can use this thing for all the 4 tires of your car, and that is okay for this one. But mainly this is very useful thing for a two-wheeler rider, because you can carry this thing. You can see it's very small in my hand. You can carry this thing in your backpack and can go anywhere and can inflate your tire anytime. So that's it. That's all for today. If you want to know anything more about this product, you can ask me in the comments below. I'd love to reply to you all. So that's all for today. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then subscribe it. This is a very useful channel. I'm making videos for you guys. So subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.